guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing how I dry and style my hair to get my signature beach wave look. Today's video is sponsored by Zuvi and I am so excited to share with you their Zuvi Halo Hairdryer, which is a literal game changer in my hair care routine and also the hairdryer industry. It is the first light powered hairdryer on the market. It improves hair health, making it shinier, 17% smoother and 9% stronger versus using a traditional hairdryer, and it's been recommended by the likes of Vogue, Cosmopolitan, Elle and Forbes. I know why, and I'm going to show you why today. I'm going to show you how I use it in my hair care routine and then how I achieve my wave as well. I'm also going to be showing you what you get in the box, so your attachments, etc. when you purchase the Zuvi Halo Hairdryer. There'll be further information as well down in the description box below, along with a link if you guys wanted to go and check it out. That there is a fun bit of ASMR as well. Literally obsessed with the sound that this hairdryer makes. At first it was a little bit unusual and different to obviously what I'm used to, but this hairdryer has so many benefits. One of them being compared to a traditional hairdryer is that it doesn't dry the inner core of your hair. So when you use this hairdryer afterwards, your hair doesn't feel hot. Unlike a traditional hairdryer that heats up your whole hair, the outer layer, also the inside layer. This bad boy only dries the outer layer of your hair, protecting the inner core. That's also the reason why you have stronger hair as well. If, like me, you colour your hair, so say you have bleach and a toner in it, or if you go for darker colours, the Zuvi hairdryer also holds your colour for 57% longer, and that also applies to sort of fashion colours, like if you dye your hair pink, things like that. Because you're having less heat on the hair, it also makes your colour last longer. So there's 5 modes on the hairdryer. It's really easy to use. You toggle between them with the button. There's care, which is optimised for hair health, a fast setting that obviously optimises drying speed, a soft setting which provides airflow for sensitive scalps, style setting that you use with the styling concentrator to achieve a smooth and bouncy blow dry. And then there's also a cool mode that you just hold down the button for to get a cool shot of air while styling your hair. The Zuvi Halo also comes with 3 attachments in the box, and you easily attach them to the styler via a magnet. There's the gentle air attachment, which is great for sensitive scalps, the styling concentrator that gives you a straight, smooth, sleek style, and the diffuser, which is great for locking in curls and waves. Now I am going to show you how I use the Zuvi Halo Hairdryer. First of all, I wash my hair and then I just leave it to air dry while I do my makeup normally, and I've just popped in some heat protector. Then I'm going to use the care setting, which is optimised for my hair health, and I'm going to dry it to about 80% dry before we style it. I don't use any attachments because I don't have a sensitive scalp. If you did, this is where you would add the gentle air attachment. So off we go. You can see how quickly that has dried my hair, even on the care setting, from slightly air dry to 80% dry. And if you use the fast setting, of course, it's even quicker. I'm finding after using it for a month, even you can see from roughly drying it, just finger drying it, my hair feels softer and smoother and it feels cool. You know, normally when you dry your hair afterwards, you touch it, feels really hot, your scalp feels hot. Obviously with the light technology, with the Zuvi hairdryer, my hair also feels a lot more healthier. So what I'm going to do now we're 80% dry is I'm going to add on the styling attachment, which looks like this, and as you can see, it just easily clips on like a magnet. So this hairdryer is so easy to use. It's actually lightweight as well. My other hairdryer is quite heavy, it hurts my arm when I'm trying to style my hair. And what I'll do now is, for the style attachment, you have to use the style setting. This is where we're going to smooth the hair, style it, give it a little bit of shape. So I am going to use a round brush for this. Normally I just like to roughly section my hair into 2 parts, so I'll just grab that up and pop it in a clip. I will just demonstrate before I use the hairdryer what I also do with my bristle brush. So I will just roughly take sections and I will take it at the root to try and just give my hair a little bit of lift and give it a little bit of a flick under, so I have a little bit more volume in my hair before we go in and put a little wave in it. if I was wanting to have my hair straight, I would literally just leave it like this. I'll zoom in so you can see, but my hair is so soft, so smooth, feels so silky, looks really sleek. I mean, I can't even really see any flyaways there. I've been so impressed with this hairdryer, like I said. It makes, if it's even a thing to say, my hair feel and look more expensive, I feel like. And if you were good at blow drying your hair and you wanted to add bounce into it, you would get lots of body into it. It doesn't feel weighed down, just feels really light and nice and fluffy and soft, but without sort of the flyaways. And I'm absolutely obsessed. But as this video is for me to show you how I usually wear my hair 90% of the time, which is wave, I'm also going to show you how I recreate sort of a beach wave look in my hair, but I will always dry it first with a hairdryer, add a bit of bounce and body, and I want to get the cuticle flat and my hair shiny first before I go in and give it a little bit of a wave. So on to the next part of how I style my hair. To add in a beach wave, I always use a tong or a curler over hair straighteners these days. I just find it easier. I'll wrap my hair around, leave the end a bit free, give it a little twirl for about 3 seconds, pull it out, and then you will be left with a little sort of beachy wave like that. And I'll go all the way through my hair. Some sections of hair I will also do the opposite way to get a little bit more movement. So instead of wrapping backwards, I'll wrap forwards again 1.5 times, twist the wand around for about 3 seconds, pull the wand up and my hair down, hold it for a second again, and then there we go. That's pretty much the motion that I'm going to do all the way over my hair across the 2 layers very roughly. What I would do with these baby hairs at the top is get a little bit of hairspray, spray it on my finger, flatten them down. My hairdresser said I've got loads of new hair sprouting, and if you'll see here as well, I've got some really short bits. I seem to just be getting new hair at the front of my head since pregnancy, and also at the top, which is a good thing. So hopefully my hair will be a little bit thicker soon. But I'll just run my fingers through. I'm very sort of, like I said, slapdash with it all. I love a messy beach wave. I don't want it to be too uniform. I don't want to be worrying about my hair all day. I just want it to have some shape in it. But equally, I want to look after the hair health as much as I possibly can. I want to say a huge thank you to Zuvi for sponsoring today's video and also for bringing this amazing hairdryer into my life. I cannot tell you the difference it has made to the health and the quality of my hair. I'm sure you can probably see throughout this video how good my hair is looking at the moment without blowing my own trumpet. But in terms of how smooth it is, how soft it is, the lack of flyaways. I used to have so many flyaways using my old hairdryer, and even using heat styling like I do to get the waves in my hair, I've noticed a massive difference in the quality of my hair. So I am hoping in the future Zuvi bring out a tool that looks after your hair just as much as the Halo hairdryer does, but also adds a wave or a curl, because that would be even more of a game changer personally for me, in addition to adding this into my hair care routine. I'll also just note as well actually that the Zuvi helps to reduce a carbon footprint, so it uses 60% less energy than your traditional hairdryer. So continued and repeated use over the year is the equivalent to planting a new tree. So not only is it saving your hair, it is also saving the planet. So I'm so impressed with this. I cannot rave about it anymore. If you wanted to take other people's words for it and not just mine, I will leave some reviews below, because like I said, it's loved by the likes of Vogue, Elle, The Sunday Times, Forbes, and I know why. And if you guys wanted to check out the Zuvi Halo Hairdryer for yourself, it'll be linked in the description box, like I said, along with all the products that I use to wash and style my hair normally as well. But if you have any questions about my hair styling routine or hair care routine or anything like that, leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, if you wanted to know more about the Zuvi Halo Hairdryer or just how I get my beachy waves, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks guys, bye.